Yeah, hello. Once again, it's Richard Dupey here, and this is Lucky Tuesday. Our Monday, it's only the other banker that they play. When they play the 37 first, I thought we have winning too sure. But the 50 column play 2, but it's not 55. We would have won too sure. But it's only the 37 that play. But let's go straight to this plan without wasting much time. We have to win, no matter what. In the year 2024, at event 871, they play 22. Then 3 weeks down, 1, 2, 3. Then they play 28. 22, 3 weeks down, 28. The 28 will play at 4th position. Then following week, they play double 5 machine. So from the double 5, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they play 75 at winning. So from the 75, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then they play 13 weeks down, they play 40 in machine. Following week, then they play 53 at first position, 73, and then 60 at center. So these two, the 53, 60 play at position. Then they play with 73 as the third number. So following week, that 82, the 28 over there will turn 82 to play as one of the bankers. But I'm using single 3 repetition as the banker to play with 41. You will know. Those who followed me for long, they will know why the single 341 being a too sure, very strong on the event. I will show you and then you will remember. So again, you stand at event 894. They play 42. This one is going up. They play 42. Following week 18. Following week single 3. So now the single 3 will have to repeat and play with the 41. And then the 28 coming from there to 10. 82. Okay. So when you come to the current, here is the 22. Then 1, 2, 3, they play the 28. Also at the position. Following week, double 5 machine. Then 4 weeks down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 75 at winning. Then from the 75 again, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 40 will play in machine again. Following week 53 at first position, 60 center position to play with 73 as the third number. Just like how they play the 3 numbers here. The same 3 numbers here. 73, 60, 53. So following week, this 28 supposed to turn 82 to play banker. 82 banker. Then you notice the single 3 is on the event. So that particular one, the one coming from the down here to the top, you will see that plan also that they play 42, following week 18, following week single 3 at 4th position. So the single 3 will have to repeat and play with 41. Those numbers. Okay. Now let's go to the confirmations. First one, we see the one in Friday. I know some will remember this plan. This plan that we've won from there up until here in Friday. You notice that they have to play the single 3 at the position. That is 4th position. Then they play single 9 machine. So the single 3 supposed to repeat, play with the 41, and then with 22. If you remember, that was the 3 numbers that they play before we won the 2 shot 43, 54. So single 3, 41 with the 22. But it's the single 3, 41, that is why I'm here. So when you come to the current, you will see that the single 3 play position with single 9 machine. So the 3 is supposed to repeat and play with the 41. Okay. That is one of the confirmation. This one is in Friday. Okay, let's go straight to national. In national, here is the one in the national. You can see they also play the single three. The single three is supposed to repeat, play with the 41 and then with the 22. That is the three numbers that I played before. We won the 43-54, but that is the too sure. This time around, they have to play it first. So single 341, too sure. Single 341, too sure. Okay, it's setting for Tuesday. Another confirmation is also here. That is also really, really good. In the year 1997 in national, they play 79. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then the single 341 will play as a too short. But at the same time, you will see that the one going from the down to the top on our main event, they play 42 before 18 and then single 3. Then the single 3 will repeat and play with the 41. The same thing, that is what they did here. Here is only the 42 that did not play, but they play it ahead. Then they play the 18. Following week, the single 3. So the 3 will have to repeat and play with the 41. That is also another confirmation in the national. But this is the event. This is the main event that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday. That is event 891. Numbers on the event: single 3, 41, 13, 82, and then 49. Single 3, 41, 13, 82, and then 49. Those are the 5 numbers that I'm using for Lucky Tuesday. Okay, so the single 3 is supposed to repeat. So I'm using the single 3 as the banker to play with the 41 and then the 82 as the 3 numbers. But that is the event that I'm using. Okay, let's hope for the best. Bye for now.